This video will be a tour of the ResearchAmp dashboard. After you've installed ResearchAmp and its corresponding plugins, your WordPress dashboard will look like this. On the left side of the dashboard, you will see these themes and plugins. Zotero Libraries and Press Forward are plugins that are unique to ResearchAmp. Please reference the documentation on how to install and use them. Zotero Library plugin will need to be linked to a Zotero Library account, which will then sync into your citations on the dashboard. To use the events and news item pages, you will need the Press Forward plugin so that you are able to nominate events, articles, web pages, etc. Under Pages, this is where your front page is housed. And this is also where you can add other public-facing pages like the About page. Research reviews and articles is where you will publish scholarly work, whether that is public-facing essays, literature reviews, or similar work where you would stage them under research review or article section. Both sections also have similarly built-in templates. Profiles is much like research review and articles, has a built-in template. So if you want to publish a staff or someone in your network, this is where you would stage them. Homepage slides correspond to the slides on the front page of the website, and you can add or change them here. This is the default single slide when you are first starting and don't have any content yet.